Good morning, welcome in my garden. Today it's Sunday morning, it's quite nice, peaceful. Should be a very nice day today, although it's still a little bit chilly, the sun is behind the clouds. But anyway, today it's a day full of crafting, and actually today I'm preparing content for the next series of videos we are about to shoot within a week or so. And I thought to myself, hey, why not make a short video and tell you about the content Ruben and I are working on and what you can expect. So anyway, a couple of weeks ago we shot a silent video where I tried to build a dungeon in 10 minutes, and it was a lot of fun. And we thought about, hey, let's do that again, some different other projects. And so I'm working on that at the moment. And also I not only want to make a silent build, like not talking while I'm building, but in the end I want to go back to the project and explain how I did it, why I used the techniques or how I used some techniques, and also want to show a finished project. So if I build something live, I've already built it and probably also painted it, because I also got some feedback from some of the viewers who said, we see what you do, that's fine, but we also would like to see how it looks when it's painted, and more about that you can see the structure that's on it better. So that's very good feedback, thank you for that, and I will absolutely paint up some examples so you can see better what I'm working on. So that's one thing. The Silent Build series, we want to try and make it a series. Then we want to do a video about the Minas Tirith project. Now, the Minas Tirith project is one of the largest projects I've done so far. And I never really showed it on the internet. Only on some conventions people could see it. And maybe someone took a photograph and put it online, which is fine. But we want to make a short video about this project. I made a lot of photos building it, no filming. But anyway, we would like to make a nice overall shoot of that build, and also talk about the extension I'm planning, because I want to extend it even more, just for fun. And if I start with that, I promise you I will make content so you can see how that evolves. And yes, recently I got my hands on 2 new foam cutters. I still have to assemble them. I want to test them out, and yes, I think that is also very nice content for a video. I'm very excited to see what these foam cutters can do. But get back to that for sure. A few years ago I made a very silly short video which was called Foam Cutting for Lazy People, where I made a contraption where a block of foam shifts simply by gravity through the hot wire. I want to do it again, just because it was fun, and make it even a little bit crazier. But also I want to cut something that might be useful, but I call it totally out of the box. And out of the box means I use a foam cutter, but in a very strange way, and I need a lot of space. So I think we will have to do a garden session shooting the Minas Tirith project and doing this crazy out of the box cutting session. Looking forward to that. I want to revisit my shapeshifter and do a more in-depth and more, a more in-depth video, explaining more and cut more pieces so you understand better how the tool works, because it's one of the craziest tools I have, and it's not an easy tool to use, I have to admit. Then we have, do we have something else? I wrote some things down. Yes, back to the silent build. I am shooting this video on my own. Ruben is not here, he cannot be here all the time. And the idea is also see if I can shoot content myself, because, for instance, I want to do a one-day build starting from 8 in the morning till 5 in the evening, and see how far I can go, or how far I will be at the end of the day, building and painting a specific project. So a one-day build, you've seen the silent video of building a dungeon. Why not build a dungeon in a whole day and simply see how far I can go with that? And again, it has to be painted as well. Not all kinds of details in it. Could be fun, but maybe for another video. Again, that's also something I think would be interesting. A lot of content. If we, apart from the last one, if we want to shoot it, we will be busy for, I think, two days, a whole weekend. But then again, it's fun. If you have any suggestions or ideas, just write me, leave it in the comments, or send me an email, even better. I will go on preparing for the content, enjoying my Sunday, enjoying my coffee, and we'll have a lot of fun building stuff. So thank you for holding out so long. Have a great day, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.